Well, hi there, and welcome to another edition of Serve Cafe. I'm Richie Brower. Today I'm here in the mountains near beautiful Spirit Lake, Idaho, where the church has come together to help some neighbors in the community finally get running water, hot water, and sun-powered electricity into their home after 21 years.
One of my elders came to us and said that he heard of the family that has been struggling and they've had no running water, no electrical system for all the years that they've been living here. And so we wanted to put this in for them so that life could be a little bit easier for them, especially in the winter with the tough winters that they have up here.
Currently we're installing 3,200 watts of solar panels on these two tower arrays. We've already installed a couple of three batteries, lithium ion phosphate, and an inverter. So that helped out a lot over the winter. So they were hauling water on a wagon or like a trailer, and hauling it in, and then putting the towers out here where they can track the sun in the most open space on the property. The property has quite a few trees. They'll provide electricity all the way to the house, and the batteries are in the house. And that will help them. In the summer, they'll probably be completely solar powered.
Before I even knew what love was, you've brought me here to rest and given me space to breathe.
For Serve Cafe, I'm Richie Brower.